So for example, hayi manje ngachaza uba bendisiyaphi actually because mhlawumbi ngoku beniyithanda la outfit ngoku nizayitshatsha.
Ubusiya kwi-event.
Bensiya ke-event yabona ndingumntu we-industry mos. So bendiye kwi-event, industry event.
What industry are you talking about?
Khame hey procurement industry. Ya unenyoka rilokeleng lirina ri batho ba mo industry.
Okay, kena ge.
And then bona ndadijanisa inona yam nenye igrhontshi efondini. La grhontshi rhoqe 3 years efondini 800.
That sounds like a bargain.
Ndayirhuqa fondini 3 years phelele nice ngubani. Ndayigibela fondini. And I'm like to myself, manzoks, why ufila funny? I will not tell le wing 800. Yabo because the phone fro yabo but she had put me on speaker. Tiben city because I think she was busy with something clean abantu. Mesithi phone ndifumene mina isuit phone napa. 800. Yena abakhuza abantu kwela cala ndihayi manje ku speaker. Endane enhloni but manje myself kuthenda inenhloni. Also, is it a guy thing because hayi ke nina nayinxiba nento ye 2 rand ke nina.
Straight
and
up.
be right. And I'm thinking to myself, but kind of like low-key judging myself, but fondini nansi into nice.
And it doesn't give a baby 800.
Not at all.
Yeah, exactly. So what's the problem?
You're not sure about is it what is it? Is it an ego thing? Is it what kind of a thing is it
6.
that makes me feel like some type of way like man. Andangxibaliwe efonini 800 yabo ezinye. Is it a comparison thing? It was just very tricky conversation for me